my gosh. Wow. Okay. Day 3. Still progressing. Thank you, Rich Taylor. Okay, guess what? We're ready for our company. If you can believe it, we got the septic clear for now. And thanks to Rich Taylor, thank you, Rich Taylor. And our guest arrived Wednesday. And then the wedding festivities begin on Thursday evening, and the wedding's on Friday.
This is her life, this song.
Just a day ago, everything was tore up. So we couldn't do anything without our pickle cup, and everything's ready and to roll here in the kitchen. Just finishing up some tile work, and then this attaches to our home, our Airbnb, and here is our little area where our company will be staying, and we're so excited. Look at this view. So here's the view. The entrance, and here's the other guest bedroom. Excellent view, very comfortable. Here's your accommodations, Kelly's. Okay, we're ready to roll. Look at this bathroom, just got finished. So beautiful.